and the first child at the same time. Oh boy. I really didn't know that I had this much responsibility till recently. But this is cute. What again? Oh, I've been seeing a lot of posts online talking about first daughters and responsibilities and all. And I see this package from because I ordered online. So let me just hope that is what I actually ordered for. Few tops from the thrift store. I've ordered from her before, sir. Full package well. Mm, okay, okay. Yeah, this is it. This is the first top. Quite similar. Yeah, then the third one. Wow. You guys will be seeing once I rock it. Oh, this is nice. The third one. This is my best. Yeah, this is it. You not really appreciate it now till you enter my body. Then the last one. The list. Looking small. I got back one looking small. So looking small. This should be the front, right, and the back. Look, you see this one. It's actually nice. It's nice. I love it. I have an Oxblood trouser, plain trouser over with it. So that's that for this one. Okay, this is the second one. Not bad at all. I like this cool shoulder stuff. I can easily wear it with. I like this cold shoulder stuff. I can easily wear it with a short. That's the normal thing. That's what I'm going to wear this one with. Maybe a navy blue short or a brown short. This is caramel, Abby. I'm not come. It's just caramel color people. So I wear with a dark brown short or a navy blue short. Hassle is work for me. I don't know. I don't know why this feels that it's not my size or is that the way this should be. But just know that I'm going to rock it. It gives a different look, but it looks like it's your size, but it's smaller. You could have been better. So this is a sign that chicken, you need to come down. Your weight needs to come down. Okay, let me try the second to the last. It's still remaining to the cow. This is nice, but why do I feel that it's small actually? No whether you guys can see. Let me go back. Just see, it's small, but I like the fitting it's giving this small baby, small body vibes, and the back has button. I don't know whether you can see it. You can't. I'm tired. I need to go make my hair today. Oh, I need to go make my hair today. The heat is too much, so wearing wig. I don't know. Is this around your area? Because heat is too much and you still need to stay at the same time. Wearing wig, I want to go and do stitch braids, the very short ones that they will do like a bun at the back. But let me try the last one so I can go and cook and get myself ready to go to the salon. I don't know whether you guys can see the problem with this one. There's no button, no zip, no nothing. So even if it's your size, but you have to struggle for it to enter. I think I'll give my sister two out of these shirts. I know she's going to be happy, but I'm not going to give it to her now. I'm using my voice, so she'll not hear me from the other room. In our water. So I'm done with my haul. So let's go cook. Alright, let's go eat, cook, go make my hair, and see how the vlog progresses. How you guys doing? If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Oputa, YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Yes, my channel is all about motherhood, lifestyle and everything in between business circles, but that's how we live. This is Sunday. It's either you're cooking as a 95 mom, it's either I'm cooking over the weekend. I try to do my things over the weekend so I don't stress myself during the week, if you get what I mean. So let's go get ready for the week ahead. It's plastic. Everything is. I see the handle. And
I don't like the way you make it.
put the potato down. Put the onions here. Just keep the garlic. Keep it on top of it. What again? So you can easily push it. Open the door for her. Oh, yeah, it's Kevin. Hi. Oh, classic. This one, but this is cute. This is cute. Madam, oh boy, this is nice. My green tea, they are all here. Oh, I've been seeing a lot of posts online talking about first daughters and responsibilities and all that. Oh boy, being a first daughter and a first child at the same time. Oh boy. I really didn't know that I had this much responsibility till recently. I knew that Chika, a lot is on your head. But that not being said, my parents are coming this weekend, not necessarily to see me basically. They are coming to my Port Harcourt to see, because I have a lot of family members that are here. They're coming to see them and they use the opportunity to see us. And in my head, I've been thinking, what am I going to cook? Because my parents, they are people that you really cannot please like that with food. So I've thought a lot. Okay, okwa, breadfruit is like Igbo people's food, and getting it in Port Harcourt here is more like luxury. Because I've looked out for the place I can get is only in my one market, and it's a distance. And I cannot just drive and blow fuel to that place. Not like I cannot, but I've looked for where to order online and one thing. I just said, you know what? I'm going to be making white rice and sauce with a fang soup. I'll be making some things by the side. Will do meat pie. My sister, people already know, she does all those pastry stuff. So we'll do meat pie for her. Do who is calling me by this time? And this happens to be from work on a Saturday. People get mind though. Okay, sha. We'll do pastries. I will vlog as we do, but also, but I just thought to come and chat. Are you a first daughter or a first son? I know you don't know that you have responsibilities. You have younger siblings that look up to you. And you need to baby them, carry them. I know that me, I have people, some people in my office even call me chica, mommy. There's one girl that if I correct her too much, say mommy, Ozola. Mommy is okay. And I'm like, okay, do I do this? Do I do this? All right, so thank you guys for watching. If you watched to this point and you love it here, you should consider subscribing and joining us. Okay, thank you for watching as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you. Next vlog promises to be an interesting. On my vlog will be interesting. Just know that though they seems to be in circles, but it's just how the life is. Anything interesting that comes up, I'll show you guys. But just know that this is it. This is me. This is I, Chika Oputa. Nothing else. Where are you watching me from? Let's know in the comments. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.